Man can learn everything if he will but try. Think before you speak is criticism's motto. Speak before you think. Creations. Give, do not lend. After death, who will thank you? Spoon feeding in the long run teaches us nothing but the shape of the spoon. It is not what people do to you, but what they mean that hurts. If we act the truth, the people who really love us are sure to come back to us in the long run. We must be willing to let go of the life we have planned so as to have the life that is waiting for us. You confuse what is important with what is impressive. How can I know what I think till I see what I say? Unless we remember, we cannot understand. When you come back, you will not be you, and I may not be I. It is not possible to love and to part. One has two duties: to be worried and not to be worried. Do not go fighting against the spring. Excuse my mistakes. Realize my limitations. Life is not easy as we know it on the earth. The people I admire most are those who are sensitive and want to create something or discover something and do not see life in terms of power. One person with passion is better than 40 people merely interested. No man can be an agnostic who has a sense of humor. Though nothing is damaged, everything is changed. Be soft, even if you stand to get squashed. To trust people is a luxury in which only the wealthy can indulge. The poor cannot afford it. I would rather be a coward than brave, because people hurt you when you are brave. It is so difficult, at least I find it difficult, to understand people who speak the truth. To make us feel small in the right way is a function of art. Man can only make us feel small in the wrong way. The emotions may be endless. The more we express them, the more we may have to express. Books have to be read. It is the only way of discovering what they contain. You told me once that we shall be judged by our intentions, not by our accomplishments. I thought it a grand remark, but we must intend to accomplish, not sit intending on a chair. There is never any great risk as long as you have money. One is certain of nothing but the truth of one's own emotions. The advance of regret can be so gradual that it is impossible to say yesterday I was happy, today I am not.